Hello everyone. Mindset by Carol Dweck. One of the most spectacular book I've read, and I'm sharing my big ideas from this book. Carol says there are two kinds of people. There are people who have fixed mindset, who think they cannot change their life. They are fixed, they are rigid. Their way of looking at life, looking at business, looking at relationship is fixed. And there are people with growth mindset who believe in this dynamism of life, who believe life is fluid, who believes that in the improvement, who believe in the power of development, who believe in developing newer habits. This book I really find extremely meaningful for all those who are driving change, who want to develop newer habits, who want to strengthen their relationship, drive businesses and organizations, lead teams. For all those, this book is going to help you. Let me share with you some of the big ideas. Big idea number one, skills can be cultivated. We learn certain skills right from our childhood and then we get stuck. But as we move on, we can develop newer skills. It's all about practicing and developing newer skills. This is coming from growth mindset. People who have growth mindset, they keep learning and keep developing newer skills. Big idea number two, thrive on challenges. People with growth mindset, they thrive on challenges. They pick challenges and they work to deal with challenges. They work to overcome those challenges. They refine their life through challenges. They see opportunities in challenges. Big idea number three, I can't do it, yet I will do. People with growth mindset, they always say yes. People with fixed mindset, they say I can't do it. They run away. They are always into either fight or flight mode. They don't own. They don't have this can-do spirit. People with growth mindset have this can-do spirit. Inculcate this spirit in your life. I can do it. Big idea number four, the view. How you view situation. That will determine whether you will overcome that situation, you will stay stuck and suffer in that situation. People with growth mindset have a very different positive view towards every situation. They see that situation from different dimensions. They have access to multiple dimensions when they see situations. And basis those, refine those finer dimensions, they decide their view for situation. And basis that, then they plan their actions. They prepare themselves. Big idea number five, believing that your qualities are not carved in the stone. People with fixed mindset, they keep on proving themselves that they are right, they are the best. However, people with growth mindset, they are open to feedback, they are open to changes, they are open to improvement. That is the power of people having growth mindset. Big idea number six, love what you do. Growth mindset people love what they do and they encourage people to do what they love. They don't force and push themselves. Big idea number seven, learning and improving. People with growth mindset don't believe in the concept of success and failure. They believe in the concept of learning and improving. They believe that everything can be learned and everything needs to be improved. And they are on daily basis, they are learning and improving and mastering their own art of life. Big idea number eight, you can develop your personality. People with fixed mindset, they never believe that they can develop their personality. They stay stuck. People with growth mindset believe that they can develop their personality. Even in difficult times, they are always looking at how they can develop themselves to deal with those situations in a far superior, better way. Big idea number nine, don't hide deficiencies. We all have flaws. We are never complete. We have limited knowledge. We have limited skill. People with growth mindset, they are open. They are vulnerable. to their deficiencies. They have high self-awareness. They know their weaknesses, their deficiencies, and they're working to improve. They never hide, and they don't have any shame. They are not afraid of if someone get to know of their deficiencies. And since they strongly believe in the power of learning and improvement, this gives them confidence of not hiding their deficiencies. Big idea number 10, the passion for stretching. People with growth mindset, they have passion of stretching their own limits. It's about daily getting better, whether it is planning, execution, communication with teams, own relationship, their relationship in families. Everywhere they look for stretching themselves, getting better. They are never settled. They always, even if they have negative thoughts, they delay giving up. And when they delay giving up, they apply themselves. And when they apply themselves, they get only better. Big idea number 11, and this is one of my favorite ideas, not afraid of judgment. In the journey of driving positive change, in journey of believing into miracle, in a journey of discovering a new life, you have to face criticism. You have to face judgments. You have to face embarrassment. People will going to comment left, right, and center. People with growth mindset, they're never afraid of judgment because they truly know their purpose. They know what path they are walking. Big idea number 12, world is all about learners. And then there are non-learners. So if you are a learner, you can grow, you can scale heights, you can achieve whatever you want. And if you are a non-learner, you are going to stay stuck and you're going to put problems, concern, difficulties in your life onto others, and you will run away from responsibility. Big idea number 13, becoming is better than being. Growth mindset people, they believe in becoming. They become. If they aspire to be a top business leader, they become, they acquire those skills. If they aspire to become a top entrepreneur, they acquire those skills. If they aspire to become a great sportsman, they acquire those skills, they develop themselves. This is what is the difference between people with growth mindset and fixed mindset. I want you to think about yourself, your own mindset. You have a growth mindset or you have a fixed mindset, or in certain areas you have growth mindset, in certain areas and situation of your life, fixed mindset. Think about it. This book has got some amazing insights of how we can develop, nurture, cultivate our mindset, and we can truly grow limitless, endless, infinite. I love reading this book and I thought of sharing all this with you. I'm sure you would love this. If you are loving this, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till then, take care.